So guys, I'm traveling. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been long, like I've been so busy. These days have been so packed and I sort of lost a lot of things, but yeah, I'm back and this is going to be an exciting vlog. I am going to the east, going to Enugu with a newborn. So help me God. Did a lot of prep for this. My microblading is on fleek. And you see my lashes. If my face is white just now, I just put on sunscreen, so I'm letting it get in. My nails so cute. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. It's gonna be a fun time while we go to Enugu together. So guys, we are headed to the airport now. Here's my baby sleeping pretty. It's about to be a very interesting journey. So yeah, wish me good luck. So guys, I have arrived. It's my sister.
You've arrived or you just got to the airport?
Like I just got to the airport. I'm just
Tightened by pulling the strap to open, then the flap will pull the ends apart. Whenever the seat.
That's my luggage. So yeah, hi guys. This is the next day. I'm refreshed now. We stopped by at Enugu town because we landed pretty much late. So we're currently headed to Uti, I think that's what it's called. Yup. I will see you when I get to my husband's village. Bye now. Hi guys, yeah, so I'm back. I'm all dressed and we are out and about. Where we're going to? We're going to Grandma's place. So Nasia's great grandma's place. That's where we're going to. Be ready to step into the scene. I did a quick makeup, skin work on point. I'm obsessed with this no makeup look. Obsessed with the skin work. It's given. Don't know what happened here.
You go tell it all your dad, you know. Hey, you go 7 years. Hey, stop crying now. Hey, Chineke, I
So guys, I am in the village. Like I mentioned, we're going to my grandma's place. No, my husband's grandma's, my grandma technically. Right here is my sister. Village living. So let's stroll together. Why Kosi tells me where we are at now. So apparently we are in a place called Culverts. This looks like a canal. When last did you see this much greeneries? There's so much greeneries. It's giving village. Village. So guys, this is the village living. I'm in Enugu State. What?
Umalum.
Umalum.
Umaga.
Umaga. The local government in Enugu State. How was my? To be honest, I don't really know a lot of Igbo things, but all I know so far is that abacha is. Everybody knows abacha is Enugu food. There's something they call something that they put egusi inside. What was it? Also that they put egusi inside. Leaf or something like that. I've not tried it. Should I try it? Maybe I'll video myself trying it. I'm very picky eater. Then what have I had? Rice. I've enjoyed myself. Had soup. So yeah, we're having fun. So watch out for my vlog. So hi guys, I'm all set and dressed. Not for a very good occasion though. We have a burial that is happening very close to us. If you listen, you could probably hear what they're saying. And I'm going with my mother-in-law to sort of see what's going on there. So I don't think I'll be documenting that, but just wanted to show my face here. Yeah. Hi guys, it's my mother-in-law. Slay Queen. Slay Queen 1 of Wanili. So guys, I am back from the burial. Again, you could hear things if my phone is picking it up. Things are still happening, but I had to come back because I don't like burials. Never will. So I came to sit with my baby. She usually smiles. I think she's stunned. Like the finest girl in the whole wide world. I came to stay with my finest girl in the whole wide world. Finest girl in the whole wide world. Finest girl in the whole wide world. My princess. So for my princess, I am saying, I don't know what I'm going to post this one. Enjoying 2025. And a bunny chucky. She wants to get the food. Can you try to get the food? Can you try to get the food? Can you try to get the food?
Honorable Prince Osita Unyeya. Okochukwu, Reverend Sunday, and the Mono and the BCC, and the Nigga.
I left church because after like today's harvest and all we do is raising. I think we're going home now. I don't know if you can hear me, but we shall see. Yes, guys, I'm currently at one field where they're playing football. I came to watch football. I'll show you what's going on here. You guys look small. Go, Nemeka, go! Score, score, score! Go! Say hi to my video. Hi! Oh my god, this is... So guys, I'm strolling in the city of Umuaga. Umuaga.
Umuaga, yes.
Umuaga. The village air is different. So clean. Like, when we have this much trees in? So clean, God. So clean. No. Oh my God! I'm scared!
I be in the streets on 10 when I'm
Like it has
and if you want me back, I swear I'm back to send.
Please carry it far.
And if I saw